What's up, y'all? It's your girl Jasmine, and I'm back with another video. Okay, it's a special day because it's a Thursday and I'm dropping a video. So I want to give y'all a little bonus video this week for Thanksgiving. So you know you got something to watch after you done ate good on that couch. So happy Thanksgiving to you and your family. And you know, just about being thankful for family. This is my sister in the chair, my beautiful sister. And in this video, we'll be doing a cut and color on her hair. So she really wanted to do a full-blown hair transformation. She was like, girl, I need to look different. And I'm like, okay, we can do that because I'm your sister. I'm also your hairstylist, and I'm going to give you whatever it is that you want. So anybody who knows me knows my sister get what she wants. She asks, and I provide. And it's just that simple. So we will be doing a cut and color in this video. She wanted to do like a honey brown color with a blunt bob cut. So I will be using Matrix Ultra Lift color. As you can see, it's going to get her hair to a nice level of blonde brown without me having to use bleach. We're not using bleach because we're trying to keep her curls intact. She does like to wear her natural curls. I am going to go in with a 30 developer because I do want a nice lift. I feel like a 30 is a safe, you know, developer to play with, especially when you're wanting to see powwow in color without using bleach. So yeah, this color did what it needed to do. I think I used a box and a half on all of her beautiful hair. And normally I probably would go in and try to cut a little bit of the bob first so I'm not wasting color. But because her hair was in its natural state when she arrived, I was just like, you know what, we're not going to try to cut this right now because the cut going to be jacked up. Her hair is not straight. It's not blown out. It's in its natural state. And if I was to try to chop at it, you know, while it was in that state, the cut would just not look good. So I decided that I'm going to just color her hair, all of it. And my sister got a lot of hair. I'm like, girl, what is going on with all this hair? She had that baby and that hair grew. Clean out that root, okay? My nephew helped that hair grow, honey. But here she is cutting it. So she decided that she didn't want the color all the way to her roots. She wanted to do more of an ombre effect. So I'm leaving a little bit of roots and I'm just, you know, applying that color, and we're just going to let it sit for a, you know, extended amount of time. So just stay tuned for this video. I'm in love with this transformation. That's why I was so eager to get it out. I think I actually just did this maybe like 4 days ago, 5 days ago. And honestly, I've been pressed. I've been very pressed to get this video to you all. So just stay tuned. As usual, if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you are not yet subscribed to the Pretty Lounge channel, make sure you subscribe so that you can see what's popping at the Pretty Lounge every Sunday at noon. Videos do drop on this channel every Sunday at noon. Let me know how y'all like this transformation. Let me know how I did on my cuts. You know, just let me know anything that you might want to know, just based on this video in the comment section. I will be sure to get back to you. And as always, I'm so thankful for each and every person that is subscribed to this channel. Thank you all so much for interacting every week, for your views every week, for your comments, your likes, and the new subscribers every week. I'm so appreciative as I am making my mark here on YouTube. It has been a journey, but consistency is showing me love. So I have been sure to be consistent for you all. And the consistency does not stop here. So make sure you are subscribed so you can see new videos every Sunday at noon, so you can see what's popping at the Pretty Lounge. But as y'all can see, her hair is intact, okay? The curls is intact. The color came out beautiful. This is off of one process. I didn't do nothing extra. I laid that color, I let it process, and now we're gonna blow this thing out, okay? So yeah, just stay tuned for this cut. My sister is so pretty. This came out beautiful on her. And yeah, if you have any questions, comments, concerns, just go ahead and get down in that comment section and let me know how you feel. All right. As always, I love y'all, and I will see y'all next week. I'm going to actually see y'all on Sunday. So this video is dropping on a Thursday, on Thanksgiving Thursday. And I'm going to still give y'all another video on Sunday. Your girl is doing it big, okay? Your girl's doing it big. I'm standing on business in 2023, 2024. I'm standing on business, and I am standing on my business, the Pretty Lounge, to give y'all the best version of myself and everything that's popping at the Pretty Lounge. So make sure you're subscribed, and I will see you all next week.